Stock Sunday brought to you by Maldives Stock Exchange. Today's Stock Sunday capital market participants. Capital market infrastructure of Maldives consists of the following participants. Capital Market Development Authority (CMDA) acts as the regulator. Maldives Stock Exchange (MSC) operates the securities market. Maldives Securities Depository (MSD) provides settlement function of securities transactions and custody services for securities. Dealing and brokerage firms act as market intermediaries, and listed companies issue securities to the public. Let's take a glance at Capital Market Development Authority (CMDA) and its functions as the market regulator. CMDA is an independent institution established under the Securities Act 2006. It mandates to develop, regulate, and supervise the market. It is responsible for licensing the exchange, depository, market intermediaries, and securities market-related service providers. Next is Maldives Stock Exchange (MSC). MSC is licensed by CMDA and acts as the market operator for listed securities. We regulate and monitor trading of securities on the exchange. Brokers and market intermediaries operate within the mechanism as trading members licensed by CMDA. A company issuing securities to the public will list its securities either as equity or debt on the official list of the exchange. Maldives Securities Depository (MSD) is a subsidiary company of MSC licensed to provide settlement functions and custody services for listed securities. It is similar to a bank, but instead of cash, MSD takes deposits of securities in dematerialized or electronic form. For example, a share certificate can be deposited in electronic form to MSD. MSD additionally provides ancillary services to the market, such as advisory services to companies on going public, pre- and post-public offering services such as subscription collections through Infinity and Digiform. This is followed by dealers and brokers that act as market intermediaries between buyers and sellers of securities in the secondary market. Brokers basically take buy and sell orders from investors and send them to the exchange for placing on the trading board of the exchange. When a buy order and a sell order match, a trade happens and the securities transaction is settled through the securities depository. Brokers ensure that the seller gets paid and the buyer gets the security that he or she paid for. Currently, there are two brokers in the market, Arya Securities Private Limited and Stockbrokers Maldives Private Limited. Finally, there are the listed companies. These are public companies whose shares or debts are listed on the official list of the exchange. A company will first make an initial public offering (IPO) to list its equity on the exchange for secondary market trading. Listed companies are required to make regular disclosures to the public, such as its financial statements and annual reports. Annual general meetings are held each year by listed companies for the benefit of its shareholders. That sums up today's take on the capital market of Maldives for you. This is Stock Sunday, and stay tuned for more.